Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do booty and legs workout in the series of bikini body workout and it's already number 72. I'm showing you just a short clips because this is the main workout we are doing now on my webpage fitnessbymaya.com, where I'm having exercises and workouts for every single day. So if you want to work out with me every day of the week, you can just visit the website and you can subscribe. So on the webpage you will see much more what I'm showing usually on YouTube, and the workouts are really amazing. I already have over 40 new workouts waiting for you there, and I hope you will subscribe and work out with me every single day. Now enjoy these short clips.
Stepping on the box, going further away from it, and then you're gonna lower down like this, pressing up. 1. Seriously, that's a killer. It's a leg killer, I'm telling you. 10 more on this leg. That's a really good one, I'm telling you. Okay, focus on the left leg now. Already dripping in sweat. If any of the exercises ever scares you, in a challenge type, that means a good thing, okay? Okay, let's do this. Try to go first with both weights and then drop it off when you feel the need. Make sure that everything is fine and secure. Let's go. Now, I just want that you stay here. We're gonna do a short stretching since we are here. Whew. Just take a moment, breathe. If you're brave enough, I challenge you to do this again. But yeah, challenge yourself. Alright, so we're gonna stretch now the glutes. Do a figure 4, one leg crossing the other, and you're just gonna grab the knee and press it towards you. With this elbow, the right elbow pressing the right knee outside, the right hip outside. Okay? You'll definitely feel it in your glutes. Another great one, you can just extend your legs and just press it towards you. Okay? Hold it. Okay, and let's hold it for 30 seconds. Now change your legs. For me, basically, this type of stretching is better than the extended leg. I feel it more in the hips and in the glutes. Stretch it, pressing, shoulders pressed to the mat. Okay, good. Since we are here, we can just do, you can raise the leg up here. Do the hamstring stretch, you can come up. Or you can go down, it's up to you. Flex foot, point your toes. Flex foot, point your toes, however it feels good. Okay, the other hamstring. Oh, my legs are shaking, honestly. It was so good. Okay, so you can also do a little bit of the butterfly for the inner thighs. Okay, if you want to do the full cool down and stretching, please do so. It's always linked under the breakdown of the video. And guys, basically that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. As you can see, I'm not faking. I'm doing these exercises with you as I am feeling it. If I feel it's too heavy, I will drop the weight. If I feel that I need a rest, I will take the rest. Because if I see that my proper form is being sacrificed or whatever, however it's called, I will stop, reset, take a rest, do it again. I want that you do the same, because when you are doing with the wrong form, you will not get the benefits that you are looking for, and the injury can actually happen. So be cautious about training, make mind and muscle connection, go slow and you'll get the results. Alright, thank you so much for training with me. See you tomorrow with an upper body. Peace out.